Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Huawei Nova 8i and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find system and updates. Now let's enter reset option, and as you can see on the second position we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. Here we've got the information that your device will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on reset settings at the very bottom, and your device actually is informing you that this operation cannot be undone. So just tap on reset network settings, and here we've got the information that the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your Huawei Nova 8i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.